Time is a very powerful idea. The way that we live in time is perhaps the most important thing about our politics.
At what point legal sanctions based by the threat of force give out, and at what point social sanctions, softer forms of power, start to take effect?
New York City being a melting pot of so many nationalities and ethnic cultures, I knew then that music was a means to learn of one's own culture through song.
We don't see each other as citizens. We don't see each other as neighbors. We don't see each other as contributing members to the society. So ideally what we're doing is that we're artists and activists asking other artists and activists to collaborate with us.
Citizenship, goes into you having a sense of belonging, feeling like you belong, having a conviction that you can achieve your God-given potential, that you can be anything you want to be.
Where are you going to put aside your differences and meet each other and get this work done? And what is that work?
If you think that there's some kind of a fixed number of jobs in the United States economy, and whenever an immigrant comes in, they take up some of those jobs, then of course you're going to see negative effects, right? But that's a very strange or unsophisticated way to think about the world.
But expedient or not, women musicians themselves have pushed the boundaries, and their solo voices are increasingly heard in public spaces.
This is a difficult passage and was cut from the Al Pacino version of the of the Merchant of Venice, which I was cramming with.